I thought I'd make a paper spinner today, just a air spinner. But before I do that, I want you to know that I've been working on this project EZ Engine, which has not turned out correctly indeed. It's really flimsy and it didn't work. So I've been trying to learn the concept of how this thing works with pistons and stuff like that. So this is a scrap, so I didn't want to put it up on YouTube to say I tried this in scrap. So this is a scrap. Okay, so I'm making a paper spinner from one of these printing paper. I've cut around about 3.5 inches wide approximately. It doesn't matter, I don't think it really matters how big you cut it or how big you don't. I'm going to just fold it up a little bit here so that I can seal it down basically inside this edge. Because you're supposed to have like a little bit of lift so that it would spin. So I'm doing it like this. Okay, so that should be like that. If I put that in there, gives it that little spin. Okay. Now you're supposed to seal all of it, just that I have problems sealing the thing. That's why I've done that way. So I have got this sealed now. Obviously you have to seal the ends here, but before I do that, let me mark halfway point and put a hole in here. About 8 inches, so just over 4. Around about there. Now I found that if I use a punch, it's a nice round hole. So this is a rough. Really, it's a rough. So if the hole's a bit out there, but it doesn't matter. It should work in theory. Okay, so I'm going to seal the ends up. I've got a straw. I'm going to have to cut a slot in the hole in the straw here. So basically, slot is cut. Now what I'm going to do is cut the slot in these things, just a slot here, and a slot here at the end. I've got to make it loose a little bit so that it does spin around properly. I'm going to cover this hole with sellotape. I'll get back to you in a minute, see how this works nicely. works fine. So guys, it is working. I feel that gap there, as you can see, right? So the slit is just small. I just want to show you, very small slit on the opposite sides, obviously. So that's it, simple spinner, air spinner. Obviously the concept can be transformed into a steam engine, simple steam engine if you use metal stuff, etc. and use steam instead of air. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry I haven't put things up often because, like I said, I was busy with that engine. I hope you enjoyed this program.